You just found the 2017 Dodge Journey. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, heated front seat, third row seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.